Today we'll be reviewing another gadget from Plextone, which is the G800 Mark II lightweight gaming headset. Stay tuned kasi later I'll be sharing with you some audio tests and also some mic tests so that you'll know what to expect on the G800 Mark II ni Plextone. But before we start, just a short message from our sponsor. CDKOffers.com is an all-in-one website where you could buy affordably cheap software and games license keys. They offer a vast catalog on their site. Just simply look for whichever software games you're looking for. Click on the Buy Now button and you should be taken to the order confirmation page. I know their license keys are already cheap, but want to make it cheaper? Simply enter DUDE20, which is an exclusive discount code that will give you a 20% discount from your purchases. Then enter your payment details and you should immediately receive the key once the payment has been confirmed. After receiving the key, you can then activate your software or games instantly. That's just how easy it is in CDK offers. Plus, should you encounter any problems or issues, feel free to contact their chat support that will assist you instantly. Well, based on my experience. Hey everyone, it's being your tech dude here. Just a disclaimer, despite na pinadala ito ni Plextone, and even as to all of my other gadget reviews, all of my opinions are from my own and based on my actual testing and experience. As I always say it, walang bias at walang duda. Bago natin silipin kung anong laman nitong G800, you might be wondering how much does this particular headphones cost? This particular headphones only costs around 700 pesos or $14 to $15 at the time of the making of this video. By the way, before ko makalimutan, merong 3 color variations itong G800 Mark II, which is the black, the gray, and a pink color variation. This headphone can be purchased through Shopee, which I'll be posting the link on the description. I'm not sure with Lazada, but this might also be available on both platforms. Alright, silipin na natin kung ano makukuha nyo straight out of the box of the G800. Here's what you'll be getting straight out of the box of the G800. Aside from this one, you'll be getting first the manual and some warranty cards, the Y-splitter converter cable, and of course, the actual headset right here, as you can see. So, ganito yung design nitong G800 as you can see right here. So, it's painted with a matte black finish. I don't know pagdating dun sa gray at dun sa pink. However, dito sa black, as you can see, this is a matte finish color. Pagdating naman dito sa taas niya, which is the band or the headphones band, there's labels right here for the left part of the earphones and also the right side of the earphones so that you won't be confused kung aling part ba yung tamang pagsuot nitong earphones na to or headset na to. And as you can see, the G800 logo is also placed on the right side of the earphones or the headset, and a small Plextone label is also placed on this particular part of the earphones. And makikita nyo rin tong design niya. At first, akala ko LED siya, but apparently hindi siya LED, so it's just part of the aesthetics looks on this particular earphones. Hopefully, you could see it clearly right there. And on the left part of this particular headphones, you could see the logo of Plextone right here and also another label of Plextone at the bottom. Similar with the right side, it also has that particular design right there na akala mo talaga LED lights kung titingnan mo siya at first look, but again, hindi siya LED lights, so don't expect any lights on this particular earphones. Aside from that, you could see the microphone is placed on the left side of this earphones. This is a flexible microphone right here, and as you can see right here, the microphone is fully flexible. Both of the left and right sides of the earphones or the G800 is padded right here. So hindi masakit sa tenga to even when used for long durations, especially when gaming. There's also some air cushion dito sa band niya, dito sa part ng ulo natin. So it's also comfortable at hindi masakit sa ulo nyo when placed above your head. You could also see the microphone volume on the left side of the earphones, as you can see right here, wherein you could dial it. At the bottom part, you also get to have this particular mute button or mute toggle switch which allows you to instantly mute your microphone just by a single toggle. It's pretty convenient, especially when you are gaming or when you are doing some online work or classes. Next, kung maliit yung headphones para sa'yo, you could increase it on both on the left and right part of the headset. So that's the maximum range or adjustment that you can make on the G800. Also, it is quite flexible, as you can see right here. Doesn't feel like it's gonna crack in. Hopefully it doesn't break. So far, hindi siya nagbe-break, but it seems pretty durable even if you flex it that hard. Lastly, isa pa sa na-observe ko is that when putting the headphones, you also get some sort of noise cancellation or noise reduction on this particular headset. I think that's another good feature on this headphones despite it being a low range or budget gaming headset. To test the audio quality of this particular headset, I'll be testing the bass quality, which basically tests the lower frequency capabilities of this particular headphones. And also the treble test, which basically tests the higher frequencies that this G800 can reproduce. Let's now record some sample audio tests para makita natin yung audio quality that you should be expecting from the microphone of the G800. Just some simple sound tests using the G800's microphone directly placed dito sa bibig ko. So the voice that you are hearing right now is directly recorded from this headphones directly to my computer right here. So lapagan natin ang simpleng beatbox. Overall, testing the bass quality, the G800 didn't fail to impress me, knowing that this is fairly cheap. Hindi nagtunog basag nor nag-create ng buzzing sound even down to the lowest frequency that we can hear, which is the 20 Hz frequency. Similarly, it did perform quite well on the treble test, although pagdating sa 15,000 Hz or 15 kHz, medyo wala ka nang marinig. Although in real life circumstances, you won't be dealing with much of the higher end of the auditory spectrum. As for the mic quality of the G800 is quite decent for gaming, voice chats, and online communications. The mic quality is fairly decent given its price, but it's not the best mic quality out there. The flexible mic allows you to place the mic closer or nearer on your mouth, so mas madaling mag-communicate and much clearer pakinggan yung boses nyo. The ability to switch on or off the microphone of this particular earphones via a single toggle switch is also an added feature on this G800 headset. So that concludes my review on the Plextone's G800 lightweight gaming headset. Hopefully I was able to provide you an in-depth, informative tech unboxing and review as I always aim. Again, it's your TECHY here. See you in my next tech videos.